We're going to move into some Qigong healing sounds and some more warm-ups using some Qigong movements. We're going to start with the He sound for health. We'll do that 3 times. Sweep the arms up, inhale. And then just trace the energy down your body, soften those knees with the sound He. He. Inhale. Last one. Good. Bring hands to heart center. Next sound is for the heart, the ha sound. We're going to inhale. We're going to push the hands out to the side. Ha. Turn the palms forward. Inhale, draw them together. Face your body and exhale. Ha. Draw that energy back to your heart center. Hands come to prayer. Inhale. Exhale, push it out. Ha. Turn the palms forward. Inhale, draw them together. Face the body. Ha. Hands to heart center. Last one. Ha. Ha. Good. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to step back with our left foot. Our right foot is forward, and we're in a bow stance. We're going to bring our hips facing forward as well. And imagine you've got a small energy ball between your hands. We're going to roll this ball down our right leg. And this is going to stimulate the liver energy. So we're going to use the Qigong healing sound for the liver and gallbladder, which is the zh sound, like jump. Once you complete your rolling of that ball down your leg, you're going to hang out there to finish the sound. It will take longer for you to make the sound than to roll the ball down your leg. So just let the ball rest on your foot. And then we're going to complete a circle to bring the ball with our inhale back to this heart-centered place. So watch the first one. Inhale, make a big circle, come back to heart center. You can even sit into that back leg a little bit with this. This is going to get you a nice stretch on the right hamstring. Take a deep inhale. Begin. Inhale back up. Good. Good. Step back into an even shoulder width stance, and then step the right foot back, left foot forward. When you step the right foot back, the toes are pointed to the diagonal, both stance. Soften the knees, sit into that back leg. Again, you've got your little energy ball on your heart center. You're going to roll it down the left leg now. The left leg is going to compress stomach and spleen. And so we're going to use the healing sound for stomach and spleen, which is the V sound, like violin. All right, nice deep inhale. Inhale up. Come back, sit into that back leg. Front leg is straight, giving you a nice stretch in the hamstrings on the left side. Inhale. Last one. Good. Step back into shoulder width stance. Hands come to heart center. Pause for a moment. Take a breath. Good. Now we're going to tap with soft fists on our kidneys. Gentle. If you feel any pain, stop the tapping or lighten it up. And then with the backs of our hands, we're going to rub up and down, heating the area up. Tap again. The sound for kidneys is the whoo sound. And we're going to, using our ball, we're going to just forward fold to give a stretch to the kidneys. So deep inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Draw your belly button in, soften those knees. And the whoo sound as we fold forward. Whoo. Sweep the arms up. Big inhale. Hold that energy ball and forward fold. Whoo. Inhale up. Energy ball. Fold forward. Good. Inhale up. Hands come back to heart center. Prayer pose. Beautiful. I'm going to invite you to take a little bit wider stance. And we're going to do a twisting motion. And we're going to do a twisting motion where we sit into our one side leg and the other foot comes up. We're going to tap lung points right here where the arm meets the torso at the armpit. And we're going to stretch our arm back, getting a nice stretch in the lungs and chest area. Okay. So we're going to switch hands, do this. Good. And we're just going to start swinging and tapping. As we do that, we're going to use the sound, the healing sound for the lungs, which is the zzz sound, like you're buzzing bee. All right, so we're going to just continue that. The sound, when you finish one round, you'll just begin another, and we'll just continue this movement for a few moments. Take a nice deep inhale. Beautiful. Big inhale. Sweep the arms up, hands back to heart center. Close the eyes, feel the body. Bring hands down by your sides. Feel your connection to the earth. Feel your connection to the heavens. Reach your hands long and hold here and breathe. Soften those knees. All breath in and out through the nose now. And now we'll do some of the Qigong tapping. So fingertips on the skull, just like little raindrops. Tap, tap, tap. Tap your forehead. Tap your temples. Pull hands, gently tap the cheeks. And then continue fingertips down the front of the throat. Bring the forehead forward and down the back of the neck. Soft fist on those trapezius muscles. Other side. And then whole hands on the chest. And we're going to tap down the inside of the arm, up the outside of the arm 3 times, starting with the left arm, down the inside, up the outside. Good. Come down, tap right on the wrist a little bit, all around the wrist. These are some good points for relieving pain in the upper body. Good. Come back across the chest and down the right side, inside of the arm, outside the arm, 3 times. And then come back down to the wrist and let's tap all around the wrist. Good. Back to the chest. We're going to tap around the abdomen in the direction of peristalsis. So up the right side, across the top, down the left. And then we're going to go down the outside of the leg, up the inside of the leg 3 times. And then down the back, over the glutes, down the backs of the legs, tap on the top of the foot, up the front of the legs. Over the glutes, tap the back of the leg, top of the feet, and then up the front of the leg. Good. And back to those kidneys, stimulating the kidneys a little bit more, a little more tapping there. And then close your eyes, rub your palms together. And if there's any place on your body that feels like it needs a little healing, just place your hands there. If you're not sure, then one hand over the navel, one hand over the forehead. This is a really good centering position, just like our hookup position we did earlier. Breathe. Now draw out anything that no longer serves you, doesn't need to be there, and shake it off. Shake, shake, shake. Let's bounce and shake. Good. Bounce and shake, bounce and shake, bounce and shake. And then inhale, we're going to end again with the he sound for healing 3 times. He. He. Beautiful. Bring hands together at heart center. Oh, take a moment to just thank yourself for moving through this exercise. A little moment of gratitude. Feel into the body, staying tuned in. Good.